All right, guys, we are here at Coleman River Trail. We're going to do a short 1.6 mile in and out trail here. We're just on our way home, so we figured we'd stop by. All right, guys, let's hit this trail and see what it's like. Guys, we are on the trail. It's a very short trail, rated as moderate. Never been here before, but we'll see. Alright guys, so far this is a beautiful trail. Lots of rolling waterfalls. You can see we got a big one up here. Absolutely gorgeous. The video is not going to do it justice. A lot of them are a little bit too far for the GoPro to be able to record where you could see them. But so far it's a pretty easy trail. Only about a quarter mile in and it's been absolutely gorgeous. All right guys, let's keep hiking. All right guys, this last little bit here is a scramble. It's very overgrown. You see the waterfall right here through the trees. Hike gets a lot more difficult here, but here we are guys. All right guys, when you get to the waterfall, There's not like an overlook or like a platform or anything. It is, you can fit about 2 people, 3 people there just to look, and that's it. But we are the only ones on this trail. There was 1 car at the parking area. We passed them on our way in as I climb down. But we're heading back out. All right, guys, there are a ton of places to get down and play in the water here. Definitely a good hike to bring kids. A little bit difficult once you get about the last maybe 1/10 of a mile, if that. Just a lot of scrambling. It's very slippery out here today. We had a big rain last night. We camped over at Sarah's Creek. And big storm last night, so. All right, guys, we're heading back to the truck now. Definitely bring the family out here. The kids will love it. There's a ton of places to get in the water. All right, guys, we are back to the truck. What an amazing little trail that was. Absolutely gorgeous. Reminded me a lot of hiking to Long Creek Falls, and Wonderbread says it was similar to Hemlock Falls. Which probably makes more sense since Hemlock Falls is just around the corner from here. But absolutely beautiful hike. Lots of rolling waterfalls. The end waterfall was gorgeous. Not much room if there's a bunch of people here, but I don't think this is a very highly traveled trail. Like I said, it is Labor Day at noon, and there was 1 other car at the parking area, and we saw 3 people on trail total, and that was 1 family. So we pretty much had it all to ourselves the whole trip. But definitely come check this place out if you have children who want to play in the water. This is a perfect place to come. Especially if you're in the Clayton area. There's multiple spots to get in the water. Most of them are near the parking area. There are 2 creeks that come together right here, and there's a lot of places to play in the water for kids. So, all right, guys, we hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching. If you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button and click that bell for notification for upcoming videos. And for now, SNT, peace out.
Peace out.